Anybody threaten you or coerce you?
No, Your Honor.
You're doing this voluntarily
Yes, Your Honor.
and of your own free will,
Yes,
and because you believe that you are indeed guilty of this offense?
yes, Your Honor.
On the date of September 4th, 2025, Washington Hogback Road, Pittsfield Township, Washington County, State of Michigan, did you have methamphetamine in your possession?
Yes, I did, Your Honor.
Did you use it?
I did, Your Honor.
And did you know what you were using was methamphetamine?
Yes, I did, Your Honor.
All right. Ma'am, if I accept your plea, I have to advise you that if you commit misconduct as defined by the Michigan court rules, between the time of my acceptance of your plea and the time of sentencing, you would not be entitled to withdraw your plea, and the court would not be bound by any sentence recommendation or evaluation. You understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Counsel, are you aware of any other promises, threats, or other inducements which have led to this plea?
Defense is not aware of any, Judge.
All right. And have I complied with the court rule?
And defense is satisfied, Your Honor.
Court will accept the defendant's plea of guilty to count 2. Count 1 is dismissed. Pre-sentence investigation and report is ordered at 14A1. Probation sentencing will be set for February 11th, 2026, 9 a.m. That's before me.
And that's here, Judge, correct?
That is correct.
And Your Honor, can I address bond?
Briefly.
Judge, briefly, my client has no prior offenses. The test did come back, the one that she appealed, and it showed the progress report. It said victims report negative for fentanyl. And I think that was one of the issues that the court kept her. And I think she would acknowledge that she did use cocaine after.
No, well, go ahead, counsel.
No, and I think she would acknowledge that she used cocaine after being placed on bond initially when you put her in jail, since she's been in jail since January 8th. And she also, Judge, has been diagnosed. She was taken to the hospital while in custody for gallstones. Apparently she does not have any gallstones, but she has blood in her urine, and the doctors believe that she has kidney stones. So she does need medical attention.
March 9th, 2026, 9 a.m. before Judge Freshour. Bond will continue.
Your Honor, I did have one request renewed from the last time we were here. Ms. Burnside has a pretty severe cut. I know the probation, the testing facility, Keith over there had checked that he has recommended her, and I believe he's going to accompany her to medical for that. They did switch the leg, but based on that, would the court be willing to transfer to the sober link and a release of that test?
I just need a form on that.
Yeah.
Court does call the case People versus Marquetta Clements. Those warrants will issue immediately.
Understood, Your Honor. Thank you.
Court calls the case of the People versus Jessica Brascalia.
Good morning, Your Honor. Assistant Public Defender Alexis Earps with and on behalf Ms. Brasgala, who I believe should be appearing on Zoom.
Gala. Oh boy. Need you to unmute and state your name.
Okay. Hi. Can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Okay. Jessica Brascala.
Your Honor, we'd be requesting an adjournment this time. There's some more.
She's going to need to, let me just stop you. She's going to need to appear in person. We've had a problem with this defendant. We've kicked her out of our courtroom. I think on 2 occasions. She's come back in. She was smoking.
That wasn't me.
Folks, my staff has reported that was you. And it appeared as though you were having sex on the screen.
No.
Well, it was interesting. The reason I took a break was to go back and look at the video. And my staff reported it to me, and it did appear that that's what was occurring. So what I am going to do, not on the defendant's motion, I'm going to adjourn this out to next week, the 5th. You'll have to appear in person, ma'am. That
Okay,
way we can assure you're not smoking and not having sex while you're in court. Thank you. Bond will continue.
Understood, Your Honor.
Thanks.
Thank you.
wow.
Yeah, wow, you should see the video. All right, thank you. Mute her and get her out of my court.